So next up we have our organic option for our Varroa treatment. Now this is an excellent option as it's the only treatment that will actually penetrate through the wax capping and kill the Varroa mite while they're actually feeding on the larvae of the bee. What you don't want to be doing with an organic acid is assuming that's because it has the word organic in it is that it means that it's less strong, okay? Because that's not actually true. This is a strong treatment that needs to be treated with respect. One of the common things that people do with this is they put it in a hive that's too weak and the bees can't move the acid around quickly enough. So you need a minimum of 2 boxes of bees, or if you do have 1 box of bees, you actually need to add a super on top so that they can push the vapor around the hive. Okay, so these strips here, there's 2 pads that go one like this, and you actually want to open it away from your face. You'll notice that it is a formic acid, it's corrosive, so I must wear gloves, okay? Now this packet 2 dose will treat 2 single hives. With these, they'll go straight on top like this. Normally I'd have a much stronger hive for this, but we're in a winter and blading. This is actually just run a split, so I'm not going to leave both of these on. But typically you'd be using it with a really strong hive, ideally with 2 boxes of these. Otherwise these will actually negatively affect the hive or even possibly kill it. It does have a very specific temperature range, so you want to use this between 15 and 29.5 degrees, and it needs to be in that temperature range for at least 3 days. It's a 7-day treatment. You can leave them in here, and one of the advantages is you don't have to come back. You can just leave the pads in the hive for when you're convenient. All right, now these are about as organic as your veggie patch. So they're really good to use in terms of organic treatment as part of your rotation of your actual treatments. So just remember that they're a really great treatment for stronger hives. Don't use them for your weaker ones. So stick to your synthetics for your weaker hives, and you'll have really good success with this treatment.